This is a footy. This is 10 footies. And with 10 footies, you can make one ball. Hi, I'm Lard. As a product designer, I like to find solutions for peculiar problems. Like, how to make a ball out of flat material, and would it be possible to fit in your pocket? While puzzling with dozens of shapes, I came to the simple shape of a triangle. Two triangles combined become one footy. The next challenge was to make a connection, which could be detached by hand, but not by playing soccer. An easy click system was the result. You can juggle the ball as easy as playing hacky sack. It can take a kick, but it won't go flat. And you can easily put it in your pocket when the 10 parts are detached. The footy appeals to the creative mind as well as the ones that like to play with a ball. These first prototypes are made by laser cutting. When we reach our goal, we will start injection molding and minimize material waste. Order one set of footies now. Thanks for watching.